finally coming home today. Should I switch from away to going home mode? Great. I'll start setting things up to his comfort. First, adjusting the lights. And the temperature. Perfect. Now turning on energy saving mode. The trip must have thrown off his routine with lots of deliveries and late nights. I'll recommend a healthy salad recipe that can be made with what's in the fridge. I'll also pull up Mum and Dad's daily activity. He'll appreciate that. Everything looks ready, with each device functioning as a hub. And can't forget his data, secure as always. Thanks, Knox. Right on time. Let me play some music for him. I'll get the right remote ready on his phone. SmartThings meets AI.